Good job, Zachary. You're welcome.
The tomatoes and the salmon is enough.
Remember, American, you switch the fork. Good job. Remember, you have to be consistent. You can't mix American with European, okay?
With a knife. With a knife.
Are you okay? Okay, so if you're dining are you dining American style? You would not have the meat on the fork until you've switched it. Are you left-handed or right?
Lefty for life.
Okay, so the knife would go down at the top of your plate, and then you pick up the food that you've cut. Okay? Alrighty, good. You're welcome. Okay, you're holding the fork improperly. I need your index finger in place. Right. You're dining European style? That's European style when you pivot the food into your mouth. If you're dining American style, the knife should be placed at the top and you switch the fork to your right hand. You're dining European? Okay, proceed. Good job. Good job. No, you wouldn't take a portion of it. Put it in your mouth and you'll put the whole thing in your mouth because that's what's on the fork. Go ahead. Open. Good job. I'm sorry. Posture. Posture. Posture.